adventure tours with the dogs, giving other people the opportunity to travel with their dogs, and really to make that connection to nature and just to being present would be a great benefit to people. We've got tours for the southwestern United States, we've got tours for Canadian Rockies, the Pacific Northwest, New England, as well as the southeastern United States. So our goal is to take people all over North America and eventually the world on adventure tours with their dogs.